Hello all, I am Nikhil from iGeeksblog. We all have been waiting for an iOS 14 public beta and Apple has just released it. In this video, I am going to show you how you can install iOS 14 public beta on your iPhone. Open beta.apple.com and sign into your Apple ID. Over here, make sure iOS tab is selected and from Get Started, tap on Enroll your iOS device. Now, make sure you follow all the instruction over here and then download the profile. Tap on Allow, Close, Settings, Profile Download, Install, enter the passcode, install. Now tap on Done. Now go back to General, Software Update and check iOS 14 public beta 2 is available on your iPhone. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected. Bye bye.